Okay, so today we're going to talk about create a multi-step equation with a given number of solution. And many students, when they have this question, they were like, I don't know what to do, a single solution, but you will actually come up with something. This is great.
Yay.
So you give example for the case that we're gonna have a single solution. So 5 times x, that is equal to 10. And then what is the x? If we solve for this equation for x is equal to 2, right? So there's only one solution, so this is great. You did really well. Next one, when they say infinitely many number of solutions, they're like, I don't know how to come up with a solution.
That's so confusing.
So I'm going to give you the examples, and then you tell me if you can understand. So let's say I have a 3x that is equal to x plus 2x. I have 3x that is equal to x plus 2x. Can you come up with the x that satisfies this condition? 1. If you plug 1 here, substitute 1 here, and a 1 here, and a 1 here, and then 3 times 1 is a 3, and x, sorry, it's now 1 plus 2, 3 is equal to 3, right? Can you come up with another number? What if x is what? X is 10?
Sure,
yeah?
Let's try it.
So then 3 times 10 is 30, and then 10 plus 2 times 10 is 10 plus 20, that is 30 is equal to 30. Yay!
Okay, that makes more sense.
Can you come up with a different number? What if x is equal to 0?
Yeah?
Yeah? 3 times x is 0, so that's 0, right? And then x being 0, 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0.
It's all 0.
Okay, can we continue? Or do you really want to go on?
I understand this one, yeah.
You understand? So this is the examples for infinitely many number of solution. Okay. Guys, we are recording this lesson. So if it's not so critical, can you lower the volume? Okay. So now the key point is if the left side of equal sign and then the right side of equal sign, if they are equal to each other, we can come up with the infinitely many different number for x, right? So let's do one more. What if I give 5x plus 3 that is equal to 10x minus 5x plus 1 plus 2.
X could be 0 again.
X could be 0 again, x could be 1 again, x could be 2, 2.7, negative 10, negative, I don't know.
Yeah.
Goes on and on because 5x is equal to 3 is the same as 10x minus 5x plus 1 plus 2, because that gives you 3, that gives you 5x. So they are the same thing. How about another example? What if I go 4x plus 10? Okay. What do you think? Huh?
Could be any number again, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's the example of infinitely many number of solution. Because when you apply distributive property, you go 2 times 2x is a 4x, 2 times 5 is 10. So left side of equal sign and the right side of equal sign, they are equal to each other. So that is one of the case. So I'm going to give you a second or a minute. So can you come up with your own solution?
I think so.
Yeah.
I
Okay.
have to give it an answer.
Okay, so you start the 8x plus x minus 10x. So when they say equation,
Mm-hmm.
you need to have equal sign.
Oh, okay.
When you do not have equal sign, we just say this whole thing is a expression with 3 terms. So the example that you give, 8x plus x minus 10x, that is expression, and then there are 3 terms.
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3 terms. Okay, we are asking equation. That means you need to have equal sign, and then you have one expression left side, another expression to the right side. Okay, so try again.
Okay.
That is equal to,
Thank you.
you don't have to make it overcomplicated. You can do just a minus
Okay.
here. And then what is 8x minus 3x? 5x plus 1x is what?
6x.
6x. That's it. Okay, so your example is 8x minus 3x plus x, okay? And that is equal to 6x.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
But is it infinite?
yeah, because you can plug any number, because
Into
when you
x.
simplify left side, you're gonna have 6x, right?
Mm-hmm.
When you have 6x is equal to 6x, it's always, you know, left side and right side, they're equal to each other. So that is example of infinitely many number of solution.
Okay.
Can you come up with one more example?
Yeah.
Okay, another example that you have is 10x plus x plus 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2, and then these combined together like terms together, 11x. So left side and right side is always the same.
Okay.
So we're gonna have infinite and many number. And another example that I can simply think of, if I have 3 times 2x, for example,
Mm-hmm.
and then I say that is a 6x, can I come up with any x that satisfy this relationship? Yes, infinite and many, because this is a 6x is equal to 6x.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is the case for infinite and many solution, and then let's talk about no solution. No solution is the case that an equation that doesn't make any sense. For example, if I say I have 2x plus 3x that is equal to 5x plus 1. What is this?
2 plus 3.
You mean 2x plus 3x is
5x.
5x. That is equal to?
5x plus 1.
Yeah.
Which is
So
not correct.
whatever the number I plug here for x,
Mm-hmm.
the left side is always 1 less than the right side, and then this side always 1 greater,
Okay.
right? So if I plug x being 0, then this side is 0,
Mm-hmm.
and then this side is 0 plus 1.
Mm-hmm.
Are you telling me 0 and 1 is equal to each other?
No.
No, it's nonsense. Okay? Same thing. If I plug 1 here, 5 times 1 is a 5, and 5 times 1 is a 5 plus 1.
Mm-hmm.
Are you saying 5 is equal to 5 plus 1?
Mm-mm.
No. So this is an example for no solution. Okay, so can you come up with one example?
Originally I just put X because I thought.
Yeah, x is equal to what? Again, you cannot just say x, okay? You need to give me an equation that means equal sign.
I thought
You
it was
need,
just not enough
yeah.
information to have a solution, so
Right.
that would work. Okay. That's supposed to be 6.
so you have 1x plus 5x times 2, so wait a second, that's okay. So hang on. So you have 1x plus 5x times 2 that is equal to 6x. By order of operation, we need to do multiplication first.
Oh, yeah.
Then that's 10x, right? Plus 1x. So you said 11x is equal to 6x. And I'm going to say x is 0, it's a 1 single solution.
Okay.
So no, try again. So you didn't think of the, I think what you meant is, I'm gonna just do 1x plus 5x, which is a 6x, and then I'm gonna do something like a little differently, right?
Yeah,
That's what you
that's what I
trying
was
to
thinking.
do. But by order of operation, this left expression, what you wrote to 1x plus 5x times 2, you actually need to do 2 times 5x first and then have a 10x.
Okay.
So try again.
If I just do plus 1, would that change it?
No. You can put parentheses around your x's.
Like
1x plus
that?
1x plus 5x. Yeah, this is perfect. So the way you fix is 1x plus 5x, and then you add a parenthesis here, right? So by order of operation, PEMDAS, we need to do addition first in this case. So you have 6x, and then you have 6x minus 2 is equal to 6x. That means the left side and the right side, they're not equal to each other. There's a differences of 2, right? So can we come up with an x that satisfies this condition and equal to each other? No. And therefore, it's no solution.
Cool.
Cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.